Hi all. Our objectives for today will be to 1. Guess the content of the listening text, popular misconceptions. 2. Find out the meaning of the following terms. Misconceptions, stereotyping and prejudgment. 3. Answer questions as they listen to the conversation on popular misconceptions. First, tell what comes to your mind when we mention the following careers, males or females. Pilot, soldier, policeman, taxi car driver, mechanician, plumber, Don't you think that these jobs could be done by females? Can males do these jobs? Babysitter, housemaid, kindergarten teacher, makeup artist. The answer is yes. There is nothing called men's jobs or women's jobs. Careers can be taken by males or females, there is nothing special for any of them. Who have put in your mind that a man can't work as a babysitter? Or that a woman can't work as a mechanician? These are called misconceptions. People believe that women can't do harsh jobs and that men can't do house chores and soft jobs. Are these misconceptions true? Sure, they are not. People should stop believing in them, since misconceptions lead to stereotyping and prejudgment, which are all serious social issues. Let's define these terms. Misconception means a mistaken belief or a wrong idea. Stereotyping means the image taken about a person just because of being a part of a group having that image. Prejudgment means judging a person before knowing him well because of misconception and stereotyping. Example. When you hear from all people around you that women are weak. This is a misconception. When you see a woman and you tell her that all women are weak, this is called stereotyping. When this woman tries to hold a heavy object, you will tell her that she can't do this. This is called prejudgment. To know more about misconceptions, you are supposed to hear a conversation between a girl and her brother on this. But before, read the questions about the listening text on your workbook and guess their answers. One. What was Hani's problem? 2. What did Hani believe about girls and boys? 3. Why did Hani think that? 4. What did Sarah tell him about his source of information? 5. What did Sarah learn in her psychology class? 6. What is the difference in meaning of significant, in daily English and in scientific studies? 7. What were the differences the study found that were significant? 8. State your opinion in Sarah's point of view. 9. State your opinion in Hani's point of view. Lesson 4: Gender Equality. Popular misconceptions. Hani. Oh, I don't seem to be able to solve this algebra problem. Sarah. Let me see. I like algebra. Hani. What? You are a girl and everyone knows that boys are smarter in maths than girls. If I can't solve it and I am a year older than you, you will not be able to solve it. Sarah. Where did you hear that boys are smarter in maths than girls? I have had high grades in all my maths classes. Hani. I think I read it somewhere on the internet. I think a study measured how 12th grade boys and girls did in some college entrance tests. Sarah. Well, my dear brother, you are wrong. You cannot trust everything you read on the internet, because anyone can set up a website and put on it any information or misinformation they want. I think that the study you are talking about is at least 10 years old. In my psychology class we just read a recent report about several studies that compared boys' and girls' performance in many different tasks. Hani. Oh, yeah. Like what? Sarah. They looked at boys' and girls' performance in language, maths, and some physical activities. They compared tens of different activities, and the scientists found significant differences only in 2 or 3 things. Hani. Yeah, and I'm sure maths was one where boys better. Sarah. Not sir, my brother. Actually, the scientists found significant differences between girls and boys only in the speed of throwing, like throwing a ball, and level of aggression, and I think there was one more physical activity in which boys did better. In the other tasks, girls did a little better than boys in some language tasks and boys did a little better than girls in some maths-related tasks. One of them was the ability to mentally rotate 3D images. However, the report said that the differences were not statistically significant. Hani. What does that mean? Sarah. In everyday English, significant means important, but in scientific studies, significance means probably not due to chance. When scientists say, highly statistically significant, they mean it is very probably true, but it's not necessarily the same as saying it is highly important. In the study we read, the few differences were simply statistically significant, and not highly significant. So, there you are, my dear brother. Now, answer the questions.